Welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. Work continues to progress steadily across the stadium, with ongoing activity in structural assembly, facade installation, and interior development. In today's update, we take a detailed look at the latest on-site progress and highlight the most important construction advancements as work moves forward. In the lateral corner area, all structural supports and anchoring points for the facade llamas are already in place. A large number of llamas are stored on site and prepared for installation across the entire corner sector. At this moment, no new llamas have been installed in the corner brackets since the last update. However, some progress appears to have occurred in the lower section near the false ceiling, where partial elements are visible. Along the lateral zone, several large structural components are staged, including pillars intended for the compression ring system. These elements are similar to previously installed units and confirm continued preparation for upper structural assembly. Additional materials have arrived in this area, suggesting that further installation work is planned in the coming days. Inside the stadium, progress continues on the glass facade installation. Multiple glass panels are already installed in the mid-level lateral sections, while many others are staged and ready for placement. A specialized lifting machine used for glass handling is positioned nearby, indicating that installation work will continue shortly. At the upper levels of the stadium, activity is focused on major structural components related to the compression ring. Several large steel elements are visible, and cranes are actively involved in lifting and positioning operations. Workers are present on the slabs, coordinating alignment and securing processes. This phase represents a critical step in reinforcing the stadium's overall structure. In the north goal section, several elevated platforms are active as workers continue drilling, slab preparation, and beam work. Some smaller structural components observed in this area appear to be related to elevator structures rather than llama supports. Scaffolding and protective panels remain in place, confirming that this section is still under active construction. One full lateral section has now been completed with all llamas successfully installed up to the next structural pillar. This marks an important visual and structural milestone, as the facade in this area is now finished. Some platforms remain active in lower zones, likely for rear side adjustments, inspections, or final tightening work. A major compression ring element has been lifted and positioned, marking a key structural milestone in the project. The size and scale of this component highlight the importance of this phase. After earlier repositioning, the element is now correctly aligned and secured. Additional fastening work is ongoing to fully integrate this piece into the compression ring system. In the tribuna area, block walls have now been largely painted black, with only minor sections still pending completion. Vertical service pipes are partially installed and will be extended in later phases. Prefabricated stair elements are visible, with some already installed and others staged nearby. Elevator-related structural work continues using elevated platforms. At the Diamond Zone, where the future FC Barcelona store will be located, glass facade installation is nearing completion. Only a few glass panels remain to be installed, while several are already staged in front of the structure. No new panels have been placed since the previous update, but preparation indicates that this area is close to completion. Overall, construction at Camp Nou continues to advance steadily across all major areas. Key developments include completed llama sections, significant progress in glass facade installation, and a major compression ring lift marking an important structural milestone. That's all for today's Camp Nou construction update. If you found this update helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future progress reports. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.